Hello, good afternoon. I'm Bentu Sandy Masakoi, a mental health counselor. I was affected. I was treated by MSF. Then really, I think I know exactly how they are feeling when they are in there. When I explain my own situation to them, explain my own story, some of them really cope up, they take it into consideration. So I really hope I'm trying for them. When you are first taken to the treatment center, it will not be easy. One, the fear, maybe you may be scared of thinking that you may die, because many people were dying then. So I was afraid, really. So I just decided to keep my heart off, my mind off the sickness. I just focus my attention to the treatment and pray to God that I get well. Trying to set up a survivors association, really. There are children among us which some of them do not have any family. In fact, there are some married women who lost their husbands and their children also. We have students among us who have lost their parents totally. So for now, if schools reopen, they don't have any support. We may need support, really, because we would like to really help them. We just have to put hands together. I'm still appealing that we put hands together to end this Ebola, because it's really affecting us. It's affecting not only us, but also the children.